But other question, and why in Koruwe in 218 bo became project in the 216, 217, big 218 of December, and then Moko Ebi Jack because Anayeme amu investigation yet here. Yeah, may you look me. I don't look ye my name yet. In Saki Kele ye me ye beer warina, Mala Waben Wabila, the and there beer warina yena ye. Wahek. That is where Junior used his first bank account to collect the Calabari people's money, Wahek money and all that money. They used their personal account to receive church money. Secretary used his Polaris account. And Junior Christian Sekpo used his first bank account. And Papaye, I be the wise man. Papaye, me need to collect cash. He need to collect transfer. Him then go the bank, now be treasurer. He go write the check, he go hold am. When they go reach the counter front, now he go sign him own. Then go bring the cash, he go collect him own, carry go put for him own. That is how smart Papaye is. Over 4 billion. So when you hear me complaining, me just say me can say that opera and the governor, Arobov Kamalama, when he been back and when he was stakeholders meetings, you see the same. And when he boom, and then 218. One when you boom, one we me, everything empty. Yakakane Olega say Rick, but Rick stop over. Junior member that 3 cluster board may be me $1 million back. So a negotiation me, I didn't care. They are not dragging anything but government has like. And Jobo, Ereto MDB, Yakakano Legorari. The first one bote sote, the first week bote sote, the second one piki bote nani, and Ereto MD Saki or Saki Kirikri. Oben, Your Excellency, I have invested over 4 billion in that 3 cluster board. And the governor obey message. It should come down. And okay, Facebook everywhere, media, government has media, and I'm blown. But immediately I'm doing beginning information participation and agility farmer. So Abu Digisaki, Ereton MD, Brand of Beef Fish Day to go. He has invested over 4.8 billion. And he already back up for Freke from my son to 16th. As I speak to you, Paka, you saw anemia. Junior, when he do come and say, Yere contract ke kini prem bebe. Why me be to increment paper and crack duke? Because me I go on me pro. Me return na one and all over the meeting 216. They prove it in big prove it. And through this information now, I never can board that 3 cluster board account me investigate to because to prove me wrong, they will must investigate the 3 cluster board account. Yes, Wabosake, there was an outstanding enemy. So why when he protested to Shell, next in the big megbe, Shell when he went in a meeting, when he board account monkey, when he bought 500 million naira, and then Junior be board made declare him saying, "Be you also meeting me where meeting in bigger lot making one date to bracket total sum make by 500 million." And then can one date from afar. Can one be me share be Shell and the big make them, but request a career so the guy or be marathon 500 million bem erecho to a board government in Tanga 500 million bem I return ba I been Shell anegbe SPDC anegbe
Kenga Makalawari Simbiola Mba Pabod was a name that 3 cluster make Buluma Equen and ever go was some out of and come on. Always enemy bravo. Protestaki one in Britain so Braswa or over 4.8 billion naira charge ke Christian Sekibo Junior Sibokona Panawer or Bear Money Bigamy Christian Sekibo Junior and I'm sorry and he made a mumba back Prince of Rasa Udum Simbore or one in a Equentemia could make crackama Kewapri. Tell me what make a trocom a click of it or a wood go Pacama and Kuma. Yere kona prebo yere confidence ari. Me to make only a hope ki Calabai TV. One so the one is semeki. Me troko me. O mete. Ani brebo late. As you see, Bravo ere do go up. Take that 3 cluster mebo. Iyo lokri. Anyana a secret do go up.
Okay, yeah, Prince Obraswa Udum, Bacana rep from the city to that cluster board.
That three.
Then double as the vice chairman of the board. Yeah.
Ma'am. And yeah, Christian Sekebo, yeah, no Palia.
Yeah, no, my grandma.
Yes. That three cluster board me, and it's if and it's set and because set it.
Okay. That three cluster board me, oh, Degema, Asaga, and Akuga. But, and it tra edges my name cluster me for me. But Bacana is the host community of that Degematri cluster. Because and when you are talking about Degematri cluster, but you are calling Bacana because we are the host, they are aware. Yeri Ane Bacana Community Trust Chairman, ably nominated by the Amadabo of Bacana.
Brother Sakibo, one in Christian Sakibo Jr. or over 4.8 billion naira for room. And yeah, you go bravo. And then misappropriation of funds. It became corporate or keyboard market.
Yeah.
And come up to an equine sake. Or the work criminal. Or cause they biggie or fully, or cause they biggie, no Jenny, or Braswa, or me, but make a seed direct rabo. And go begin to go up criminal. It became a matter of Braswa, baby mama. And I kept ye, mama, mete that 3 cluster macrama reba mama pray. You go up pre book map to go calabari seme pray. May over 4.8 billion naira fraud medical sale on banner for me. It begin me down, Bobra. Tapu it begin me be in bear to account to Uswa. You go up pray.
Okay, on me allow me a macala. Any question me better lama. It begin me go to over 4.8 billion. 4.8 billion for all. In one inaugurated of February 2016, all 5 years tenureship. And that one and I. Yera ambo misi tishama me sakiyana YC shama Kalabari clan.
I be pelema. In on I inaugurate sakime. O on I bigi kokakpa boy bigemi. O boy bigilama. That 3 cluster board me bigi kokakpa me bigemi. And on account me boy bigemi. O boy bigilama.
Actually, Yera, I'm not section now to that account. So I cannot give account of where the starting point of that account. But I only know what coming. And Apikeke Nimim, what coming is that yes, I in a few months care CDB Mebu Simem.
CDB TFA.
And a community development board.
Over 4.8 billion naira fraud me. And it go wasa Kalabari in this.
So I enjoy because be abem water in one inaugurated of February 2016. 2016 in one inaugurated so year me ni bibra mia. Ordinarily, eyama bu amayana bo emi bebe. Amayana bo or Council of Chiefs and then one frema one am representing. So if you are lucky to be the chairman, secretary and the treasurer, baby, ordinarily you are an automatic member to the Datri cluster board. But in inauguration me so Bacanapu one inform one. And ye me brabu one engba when it boy right chena ore. Te wa ben wa krakra ye kuma. Me inauguration me so one Ministry of Chieftaincy and Community Affairs me latte bebe and why election ye but we used to be the board chairman, we used to be the secretary ni ye bra me mo cosmetation ya. Then yere te Bacana Amayana of Bacana na Bacana Council of Chiefs na if you can see this letter me and signing and make one nomination Secretary Bacana Council of Chiefs Chief Jackson J. B. Tom, Brahma Secretary, and then sign it with our names, with Bacana Council of Chiefs and Traditional Rulers, the ruling council in Bacana. A minor letter. One year, Mbem bakana paka da bakana inaugurate bia. Ana asagete table me boy that commission ebentie that bakana paka mo obem bakana problem. Ana be me say bakana boy problem so for His Excellency Governor Wike Eda Gazette officially. So this is the Gazette. I'm an official Gazette in Mekodie. I not be here. Me letter me I even assign you that I when me go tell Munje me buy shoes allege for my inauguration. And I can legi. In Swaye Junior chairman Bakana number 2 in Ereswa. After the inauguration, I now join Bairo ke Bakanere Swaye. So I name say me bra mia aranime so dikia because most times me in Epile make and one to tell Bakana puye wo so sa bra te wo bo join tokwe abe me ogbo me yeah in ma fete ye me wo sobo wa sobo saki so yera na the current IYC chairman Kalabari clan so me ye be in tie be ye man na rejubu na paper bi on everywhere could look a minister me more and stop we me yere be so bia but bad day for them. Yes, in a book way me. And then me problem, me son te go te book robo me la. I no free big bella ma for it. But it's a decision I have made. And my father personally, before he nominated me, or he saying very soon, TB guidelines ke prem. I might big if you have okay image na ena. Mo go up office rented. Up kisi meeting book kisi me go tell me say, or 10 million naira ke contract prete. Wapikane ye fund. Our next meeting when you message from me say. Cecilia number 9 Cecilia Rumolabo an office me and text message me and I can do 3 citable office me like I'm office me last like already offices me go ge in mind ge na bo prete for the show chairman ogono secretary ogono treasurer ogono then you vice chairman in case you be okruma ore so I be fear Kalaba go dem pakama ware go ge aneyere abiye so Wabo and Jamie are a company for subcontractors. Bubote Polipolo Gono Mute create a signing scientist. A business announced me when the time for 5 letters. And now you bulaye. Junior Bia Yerio. Yero Bakana. An Africa from my own. Arogana boy na yebu buao. Yeah, Aroga, if you are not, I don't even know you. I need me from Adams, I don't know you, are not my friend. Bakana Pan Africa from my tabu, so ye be my understand ya. When you ban it or Bramo, Waba need discuss the new Brom. Allah, and we need diesel supply. Diesel supply. Care each of the 3 major AG spray to maintain the palace. About 800 metric tons. Each of the annually, and then supply me here. And Misaki Junior, unknown company ke supply me so yete. And I'm going to go. One amayana one or a lap na pray that. Okay, for a frame, amumu kuma na bo arera bakamu. Ani bu Saki Junior si we no bua Junior si we no bua. Beni baka. An pon em say yeri bigi feta by bua. Ane eretombo kosi visit ke amana wo bakana gbesaki Junior say na duka boy ana amana wo gbula yi Junior ya esin igbu asin krabio be wake to obete waka ama friend from one night imbemo oba meeting bo oba me ya me owo tie pakam imbemo igbigi film okosende mi obem eda amana ba ire prede ye ne to be na wo kokko ekura kuma igbigi so rere igbigi sign ya. I know be all at everybody will be here. I know name.
The more 4 billion in the top tapo be ereton.
Now, yes. Yes.
Over 4.8 billion.
Yes. Annually make bari. Yes.
And you get take company need big make besu.
Ereton EMP I need big make bari from that 2016 to Moku 2019, not even 2020 yet.
I go to make bullet. Christian second word Junior be one neck and sake. When go up me breme. Emu and go swake one in go and a deputy governor. Emu duka pre. Emu duka pre me how many Kobe sing. Here many actor comedy pakaso. Mina ibi yana ike that 3 closer mebo. Eke kiko to akobe here as vice chairman in sinte. Here we go sorry mebo. In Bremen ganga bo. Here many meji paka. Ani mebo need go away.
Kari me oirum. Yera ne me complain me bakate. Yeme bakate te letter ke deputy governor from my. Am now bakana so letter ke deputy governor so ke. So Pakaye was the deputy governor man. I when he see. How the journey see. Or is in the so bemness. Excellency them. So time wabo. So yeah, when you buy no bad doctor when you buy sin, and I since I can't be me too. And now me say, oh ye care, mon me ya ma me, and me esminte yes. Otar why be boote around me be latre me ako brisin. Nes actually office my office ya all commissioner of chieftaincy and community affairs matter. Abuke suba te bia. But kuma arake sinte me let a carry kebra me yeah. Wa bo adgoye na me ani 2016 na asaki ebe me letter me wa tarike ekete pika copy awa me na beke me na ekete ka pro then one is it myself ekete ka pro so abodi me I we need a lawyer but then thought I'm not dick na my na bo for prama ani na muye or na muye me one go make one esin ya den wa botatare wa bio bala ngi ona to na brake ware kobri treme wa kitele gbomu so totam no dikbe arosin onwene na sotemu akona mu ma weni so ba so to sama na yitbe imbo one esin wa bosa ki yo redo gono ma polite kure junior botere totam no dikemi ano step me okrote meju se eno se me ze abo legite wani go ma abo legite bo o menji so o moto buklote oko e dokusi no sense obu sense by call pikia
and you do get bravo one go one asinsaki junior na menji pakaye
ori ana menji pakaye anatare one ese ma bo wa bio ekwenkon then wa no bo menji so yeme alo wani mu permanent secretary la permanent secretary wani bo junior bena imbiti wani bo one go man seminary be na all use deputy governor all me conference all me use and when you message ekedeke frema permanent secretary be when you message ekedeke frema na ni true amana of bakana name the kwame remover and deliver bakana community from that red cluster board when your documents go come me prefarm a photocopy take on me so that to show proof that I do be man very much in order because Kelek Bugo I break document yeah, but I'll give you the proof. So and when you is I want to pam sec bela pam secretary when be eminence mekine junior oriore Samuel o ebe meru JP then because John Bazi and one inaugurate but after Governor Bo and Joe in a dissolve Bo so permanent secretary were not active permanent secretary be when you go a sameness a meeting you ore when you go letter keke any came before one meeting me when you permanent secretary bela tell me ko be making a junior so bote swear that junior need na arrange or na arrangement yemeness or go deputy governor pre wa all me use so that ereto ame so bote one engba legited go and I go permanent secretary preeminence PS junior Christian Sek Bobby wa deputy governor trokomu o menji so mu aro sense o pik ma bua o mo ke pike gbo ona kwente pike we sin eminence abo me I understand ya o but I will make my confirmation mo gbo in one sense sak me la sak as deputy governor natia abem ya mu but I told them that amute when you go ma legi abebe I will not be there because permanent secretary na junior beni ye fear they have been sharing money. So whatever Ikemu permanent secretary Trokola Igogi is or you put it under carpet. I told them that me meeting medicine or deputy governor Bebe, I will come. She's our mother because she has called us earlier before this time to put her children in order before we come to an open place like this. But Abotaro for Abobia o. Moko mbo miti mesenda when ibo ya city ba pay inform. One when him one we ndogudi nsomu a. Mosi enyi junior mema immobilize te bore te sumuta nje mi yengere. Ayewra go ge security dokita wasomu a. Ani nke benga ne ba asomu. Asomu saki amulegite. One go maro fori. I worry him next to pagate when you go out and when you go start get tare pagate call you right. And I was so lucky that I pick him. And I be mommy bate I be mommy be meeting center wa bonkuma. Hey for it because permanent secretary bo junior na efito so ya anything on us mate bia eneke gba be letter so government letter ka minor of bakane kai minese na minor nomination withdraw jini pakate momiani River State government, permanent secretary, the remover of Prince Obraso Odum of the Bacana Community Trust as vice chairman and member of the Datre Cluster Development Board Datre for anti-Datre activities. Ane amayana mimi letter meri me ano enganye. Anti-board activities ane tiemo. Yeah? Nesu tieye at least wake free my board problem na betari bukama problem. Amama ne right na ore. Letter eketeke board me or government pray not government to write to this and why you something is happening because B2B have been complaining this thing and nobody is giving him green light. Waba ne dugote so ane wabo so e. Wabo so is my saki ke dugote me say deputy governor invite him. Yeah, deputy governor Troko Menjiso about cosmete ye ofori. I been governor of Africa from Aure. And Lagos buy me for an official duty that PS as permanent secretary asked him that enarole me Yuzuba that not that I ran meeting meso sing and deputy governor say more that I pay cannot just amayana of bakana be na bravo instruction prime minister yeri ni sinte because ara troko menjusa arake sin go to furi oh one in tradition menu re amayana Bobby is the highest authority in the community. And that is a government recognized Amayanabo is a constituted authority that brought me. So I didn't go there to play. I went there to defend and make sure that whatever is according to Bacana people come to Bacana. I didn't go there to share money like the way they are doing. A troco, they have been sharing money, fighting Polaris Bank, Secretariat, a troco in Obusai to Minere Magic, because then of before the 2000 Wabo come on board they were understanding 215 are standing there Emi Beye there 250 memo in Angbem and second them board account memo function here you get that when they are not yet through with the board account so when board account men are through erebo when it be make a individual account book bear you understand so muji digi kuma in an Igbo came I will come to this and read this thing for you. So in Igbo anemeye and anemeye sakiso I became sake worry. There is no sincerity in the whole matter. Junior Ngere deserve supply me. Junior Ngere subcontractors both FTO Bekuma. He be making available here. So I protested because I complained when it and I will protest it. I protested I can both life threat in na ke board me obota by security na anake stop here so aranjo stop here me aduga e da premier board ma mum bebe life ambo boroba anake by anime mo so there was never a time deputy governor or River State government there in Isinte as I speak to you Yera Nepa the original authentic Bacana Community Trust chairman still the vice chairman all ignorance is their problem because they violated the law. And unknowing to them, the ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Let me just quickly show you something. The Rose Church letter, like this. They that is from Abonima or Buguma, we are removing Bacana person, not through the Bacana Council of Chiefs or not even the Amadao of Bacana, but this thing. If you see, we use Bacana letterheading to write. Look at the signatory. This thing. And this thing, I will quickly read this thing for you now. Bacana Community Trust, BCT, our rep BCT that trade 219, 10 January 219. Meme There was 2016, an official Umesaki. That is why I want to bring this document to you. This is where the investigation of Junior will start. You understand it? From 2015, an engineer investigated to this point where we are. Because I come on board because Junior Bakane Rebo as an Bakane authentic city chairman and double as vice chairman. Junior Bakane Reke, yes, signing a Bakane Reke contract prayer. Bakane Reke Biri so ya Bukrabio. My records are very clean there. So if they have any proof, they should show it to the Calabar TV as well. So let me quickly read this thing for you. They wrote to Junior Sekbo, the chairman that Trade Cluster Development Board, that Trade CDB, 9 Eminike Close, off Sellers and School Road, Ruma Dalu, Rumola, Port Harcourt, River State. Sir, the reminder for replacement of Prince Obraso Udum to the Trade CDB with respect to the removal of one Mr. Ibilaba West as the secretary of the Bacana Community Trust. However, it is on record that several months after my directive, the Trade Board has continued to receive and deal with the said Mr. West as the Bacana City Secretary. This is in flagrant disregard of my directive and is abominable, despite having humbly followed the due process in the removal of the said Mr. West. Thirdly, I have not and will not contest to funds from the Trade CDB either for WAEC scholarship. I will show you that one. That is where Junior used his first bank account to collect the Calabar people's money, WAEC money and all that money. They used their personal account to receive church money. Secretary used his Polaris account. Junior Christian Sekbo used his first bank account. And Papa A, I be the wise man. Papa A, he need to collect cash. He need to collect transfer. Him then go the bank, now be treasurer. He go write the check, he go hold am. When they go reach the counter front, now he go sign him own. Then go bring the cash, he go collect him own, carry go put for him own. That is how smart Papa A is. So, and then me WAEC yeme. Now, for WAEC scholarship fees or any other purpose to be paid to account of individuals. All funds, according to Bacana, should be channeled through the Bacana City account for transparency and proper auditing. This is to clear the air of rumors that the Bacana City has requested that funds be paid into accounts other than the approved one. Finally, with regards to the vote of no confidence passed on Prince Obraso Udum by the Trade Board, which prompted your letter dated 11 August 2017, I would like to say the due process should be followed and the options assaulted before I can consider your recommendation. While I appreciate your intervention and believe in the capacity of your office to resolve conflicts, Bacana will maintain its status quo of its representatives on the Trade Board. Thanks for your usual courtesies. Your sincere Israel Highness Udum, Amada of Bacana, and Chairman Delga Traditional Rulers. That is the area of saying they have removed me. And let me quickly read this letter that the Bacana Councillorship wrote. That reattached letter dated 19th October 2016 for replacement of Mr. Ibilaba West with Mr. Bekimbo S. Braid in Bacana Community Trust, that Trade Cluster Board. I am directed to write you to make this change as requested by the members of the Chief Jim Emine Wilbarboy House of Bacana to allay their fears in their representatives in the Bacana Community Trust. Mr. Bekimbo S. Braid therefore takes the place of Mr. Ibilaba West in the Bacana Community Trust, that Trade Board, from date being 15/11/2016. Respectively, Mr. Ibilaba West is known on the is number 6 of the list of Bacana Community Trust appointment list attached dated 8/1/2016. His Royal Highness Udum Barboy, a Tamador of Bacana and the Chairman Delga Traditional Council, endorses the change in the interest of good governance. You are faithfully, Chief J.B. Tom Eborama for Secretary Bacana Council of Chiefs. This is the letter also. So if Junior dey boast say dem don remove me, dem don remove me, how? See the mini compound people that wrote, this is a proper channel to remove somebody. If you want to remove person illegally, you cannot. Now, these people are government constituted authority. That is, so if the Amanyanabo of Bakana can give directives that they cannot honor, they that are from various neighboring communities and then nominate or be money sinte. I because they don't know what they're doing. This is where I wanted to express what is in me before I for over 4.8 billion. Wabusaki, they were in Bemness pressure down Regote. They were paying in there Wabuime pressure made it Regote. In them 250 million men buy ware. Tarek buy all 445 and then buy big. But come out with time, production increasing, being big man increase one. And then work boy. So Abosaki kinina problem yana sakane in 215 balance bem to the board account. Yera anemia in piki dia. In piki 216 Igbigi Bem, anemia, impikiki dia. And we need Bola. So I'm any calculation FTOs, subcontractors, Mnapuna, Bosaki. I better tell me Igbigi makes over 4 billion. So I when you me complaining, me just say make say that opera and the governor, Arobov Kamalama, when he been back and when he was stakeholders meetings, you also seen. And when you boom, and 218. One when you boom, one me, Ereton empty. Yakakane or Lego, say Rick Botti Rick stop over. The first one Botte Sote, the first Rick Botte Sote, the second one Piki Botte Nani, and Ereton empty Saki or Saki Kirikri. But Ben, Your Excellency, I have invested over 4 billion in that trade cluster board. And the governor gave message. Okay, should come down. Facebook everywhere, media, government has media, and I'm bloom. But immediately I'm doing information participation and agility farmer. So Abu Digisake, Ereton MD, brand of beef fidgeted go. He has invested over 4.8 billion. And he had Bakana Pofreke from my 2016. As I speak to you, Paka, you saw anemia. Junior, when he do come and say, he had a contract, Kene Prem Bebe. Why me be to increment paper and crack duke? Because me I go on me pretend my go on me pro. Me return na one and no law be meeting 216. They prove it in Betty big prove it. And through this information now, I never can board that trade cluster board account me investigate already. Because to prove me wrong, they will must investigate the trade cluster board account.
I mean, they have 2017 share of 500 million naira and the big man down.
Yes, Wabosake, there was an outstanding enemy. So why when he protested to Shell, next in the big megbe, Shell when he went in a meeting, when he go board account monkey, when he go 500 million naira, and then Junior be board may declare him saying, "Be you." You also meeting me where meeting in Pika lot making one date to bracket total sum make by 500 million and then can one date from afar can one date me share be share and the big make them but request a career so the guy or be meriton 500 million bem a return to a board government in Tanga 500 million be I return ba I been shell and egbe SPDC and egbe after our protest.
Okay, maybe Christian Sekebo Junior be more project ke priakuma odugowa prim one in a concept odugowa prim ni e bigi method that 3 close and get that 3 close and very big deal mama goge e kan be e brain mama yana be kota emi and mama wimbu e bigi e be kuma kon makori odugom okoma te dugom ne o inete brako repeat fonted go amine bakana guloma contract goge project bakana boy project goge ieri anano ki epiki project mo kite ke piki boni na bo prim meso o project me execute mo ke do apre da o the project mo ibra
apoki odugo ya abonna bo AB Jack something like that
here project me ko kuloba na boni na wa no kuloba na bo eke okuloba na bo prim mo ye do apre da project ke bra baka na bo mo PJ project so ya kuma odugo apre baka na bo entirely ye in picking a light post somewhere picking in a generator repair na e man bagani ye bakana popute asimbra Davis compound also in a amaware na telemawre me na man gba no ye te picking evidence ke wadie and ne baka picking ke wa pray mo ye digebra me be so ya bra me do wa pray and
okay ameta tari oruru ai okrakra eduka because or evidence con me die me say a contract ko kuloba na bo pray
or evidence ke one project go give to you table project and project men mo o you table project ma bakana
well my yasobo oyurom ya na bakana city I'm the bakana authentic city chairman and any job te bakana mo I go get I must sign something to prove that me bakana boyem but ye bakana city for amana amamesi amana what is anti you buklo ye go get ordinarily we are you understand then oben okulobana bought eduka baby o proof con me prayer to show that I sign o proof con me prayer baby okide o wrote then AB Jack to mention bobe uriane job make AB Jack prete AB Jack pra pick the benefit of the job okiye agote me na ya name one me umesa egbo one local government chairman Tony Flimon when he back set up the amama was stakeholders and say bakani no mame bakati ndoko bia and I want to set up sake one Clifford Ibetela name or say on oil and gas matter and then one Alabo Frederick and the chairman of the park then engineer K Evans so pigisin I think secretary you also need a member him or ane ye fangra jene mo alegia Clifford be ane an emoko e signé phone bio as a bakana person that AB Jack in job corporate to or office tagame when mo buklu AB Jack na ekwen tem when okay junior mo office mu junior when AB Jack be sin phone bio because you also AB Jack bula me sin kon na ke break my bakana city chairman ni miamo obe no chairman yeri ya no be you because anemia me pakai 2016 wabosa can be an SCD project you at 5 companies ke bo ye when 4 bakana people when ke so AB Jack boy bu bibo when ke onye gbonbo ke so from 2016 but 2016 based up aka project be me film from 2015 to 2016 big me project be in film 2016 in film 2017 in film 2018 December ani na AB Jack sinye eno sinye me se bobo embora I'm not a signatory. I didn't have any contract agreement with any contractor. If there is any, they should prove it. I said I have not signed one naira since I was nominated by the Bakana community. Jenny might be signing in the name of Bakana.
Christian Sekibobe, eating.
Pogi. Let me prove me like I'd go the engagement. That 3 cluster board me ereton EMP idiki junior bane sign already junior Christian sek bane acknowledge already here now that 3 cluster board number 9 Minikes of Stellars Road Rumadalo Rumola Otakot sir dear sir meeting between Ereto and Degma 3 cluster development held on the 4th October 2016. We refer to your letter on the above caption dated 31st October 2016 and a board maker in AK. Please find below responses to your questions, questions and issues raised in your letter. GMOU funding. Let me just point out the many points. My question bulate junior me sake na me my sanga. All employment opportunities where then 216 United States scholarship fees in Miagbem. So Agbula ye Bakanabo from the host community. I had access now to the CDB account. Account makes me brother and Mia. On Mingara sign and you take holding community and Africa boy So what will I tell my people? Please, I want to know this scholarship, man. Okay, man. Now, these amounts, including the stipends, have been paid and acknowledged by the student. Kindly confirm from them. So, cosmetic biggie, then other matters. It means me take biggie. Now, figures, man, biggie. No figures, man. As of them, 251 million, 239,400. Then annually, men can go in tranches. These are the money they paid in 2016. Money may big man, big frank margin, and the account maybe small big. It's more than that amount. And Bacana, let me tell us something here. That is why Facebook by Gulam, who nominated Junior Christian Sekbo. Two nominated because one man na take amana popro mamabu. So ya man na Africa frema te be mi osite gbale ya mama sinte. So Junior Kaimbe kangaroo ro ya pa me frema te Mbobotebo one alagba 10 and vice chairman so se prebo one na meeting go legba awa Bacana truck mu webra discuss kuma one meeting me phantom we no bukulo mu Junior laba favor gote dugo Junior pro wa planning Monday wa mu ba bebe Tuesday imu alagba 10 mu one remember go free fine just to distract us yere 2018 December wa protest into Cotton Channel Amutebo Junior yapa me frematembo brake etongbo temigbe tetamuna akuma etongbo so ponte. So we want to attack him just to distract us from speaking the truth. Ordinarily, the leadership of the board, man, Bacana Latin.
And then in our leadership may dissolve.
In Abebia, Yera Nepa, the benefit as Bacana City chairman will be in Yeminke Prewa. Yes, I'm taking note of this thing. So when they investigate Junior will tell us. And there, I'm an hour of Bacana, Fremenjo see Pupu a Calabari. Afribom, I book a bua, I yembe, Duke Fremeke from Apopre, in Isi, Daniel Brana, Commando Stake Bemnese, is in Tinebia, because you see Yama by any Simbia. More Bome. Why information na amnesty mu GMO you sign or obukulo that extension of time and Junior Borekwa insake opeke be mo 410 million mean by be yere I name is 250 million mean because so you will see that even me account me we have to investigate and Bacana wa sharing formula in this thing both kuma wa both say Bacana 20%. So 500 million me ordinary Bacana 100 million in our a Bacana City account from Zenith Bank, Moku's account man, Jamie, 1 naira so General Bosa. And as I speak to you, Yere Edoye Duke Prem, Aramai Big Ifima. Huh? Okay, Oba Aramai Big Ifima, Nasamai Big If you in Papa. That Moku Japemi, Ibute Amamo we, yes, Sane, Amamo we, yes, Sane. It's anybody on my D. But it's an effort, Sagagaracha must to come back. So, Junior, Roborik or Bosim, Roborik Calabari Sim, okay, Bacaningeri, and Agute Bacaningeri set a quay, Mbetarita ye by YC chairman to make us men fighter for Calabari people, Sagama, a Jamaica Swaba, to me employer. Welders, fitters. Then, when we want to investigate Junior, Ereton in Europe, in Bigi Room, Bebe, they will in Iso. They will be properly checked. FTOs that have earlier been signed. FTO me, epa me freedom to operate me capture krikri. Aduke big me go get erba. Obi firma o Calabari, according to 4.8 billion. Junior me Nemesis go tembe 48 billion. A 48 billion duka. But one man big me and that 3 close that joint account me investigate on everybody big me aduka me so kalai. So Bacana employment chances why na Bacana wa scholarship na Bacana deserve think boy say one prayer Bacana embe me here be contract. So audio I wrote letter to SAG complaining that me paka be me say me paka be me secretary man ayeketeke oprem but oranke under carpet will soon because or boys. You understand? Or boys. Then commissioner Bazia we obukroma wane prayer Calabar mebu in yebre bia in ye was that in just manapuma angmama politically na selete just in your timely office me boom the just boye make and yeni diabra yem and then moko wake to sharabe then Facebook by my prince with Dukai and my prince with me share and there former chairman be in the Bikuma me big in there with Buguma 39 million Bakana 37 million Abonma 36 million Tumbia 32 million other 10 communities 22 million each me mane of 445 million okay at Mebo and kick biggie there bra so I pick Jini bar they should pay money to my individual account. Yeah, you know, because me that might be this thing, but Amame should investigate and call me to order. Then who see an epic? Junior should stop interfering in Bakana because of Bakana ke danger will suitable Bakate. Bakana will make bate because of me or a politician. You simba like back at Tenlante. Told me just in the attack it, and I pity for Jose Pro for gassing because. Ora mairi to ikika bawa yere kuma me ya mabro ama ten so fra na wa menje be inde yere wane ama tu ote frike wane fremam wa mute mama interest protect wane mute legte meeting ye kuma igbigi so bu ajesa ke ya ni igbigi ke bote wa karu gbari wa ni name is like FTO gbe kuma meeting 150,000 100,000 that few months meta ni name abotin die ti ni pike gba roki abem no ama freme wa menje yeah, and kele wa pakarugbe moko board me ke wane marginalize esake. But Sute people did this thing. It's too painful that and it was some but as we so time not premise my brother I need brain no so be ya one amateme so come junior Calabar na amateme so or Jojiba because in Calabar na me balance papa ye ngengere and papa ye na junior na nile Calabar city giete kino boku wo fiare because in Calabar is a 10-man committee me yen na ore and 10-man committee make a form my bra e ama bu pulu boro ala wari pulu boro ke bo batenke 10-men me form in 10-men me form te bebe they will now me can sign me letter me can sign think government government and na yan na ma meduka pe na endorse so yere government. So I'm a free matter. Government endorse, but government must even all the letter permanent secretary wrote or appealing in his sin. Temptation or reply message. Agbeso in his sin. Junior me, you were a big go. Treme Bakana city members member go gay. Peke vote of confidence. Keprem. I'm a so till as I speak to his name. What Bakana told Junior that Junior be to be and then one a tongue. Edukute or yate meke influence ko ye bebe. Ye Bakana me lose for the 5 years. So that is where we are. So, and about the account, I insisted that they Calabar all public account. So, one investigative. Then I do in my room, baby. Calabar worry. But I begin baby to but I begin investigation me ya baby. Will miss me the go. I'm a mama every day in my fly boat. Come mama pray. The 100,000, 50,000 on daily basis. And I don't know invisible boat in Kama Mama Pray. Bakana is a junior and okay. Then Bakana, on Bakana Ben Job, a junior name act as the Bakana City Chairman, which is not accounting for Bakana people. So if when a room of 1 so that probably forgot say bicycle and do soon, baby. Or when I care, in just us into this way, because Jin Duga is Unimia, and Jin calculated Unimia. Like as I speak to you, Bakana, one big we are having more than. One big are standing more than 400 million. More than 400 million. Yenani biure for Bakana. More than 400 million. There is the letter. More than 400 million. Yenaba from entering committee. Bosak in limit Yenare from some extent of signing some money. So any big meso junior me Bola Martin bed that try account me soon. And now for over 4.8 billion, whereas I was just looking at people in case that Dukai anemia. And the big man, Shell Martin Bay, 500 million, But Junior Mema declared 500 million. And also, in inviting, yes, that reminds me, how to disburse the 500 million. In Yera name me letter make Farah na Tamidana Guguna, SSG, AKA, because Farah was the then assembly represent rep Tegima, then SSG. And when he later make financial petition, a petition on the maladministration, lack of accountability, and lack of transparency by some principal officers of the Datre Cluster Board. So what may ye me? And when he invite, Farah when he tarries in town office board, or being a truck, I never am being one scene. And one is saying, why when you move there, when you move opposite NDDC, Assembly Quartable, and then one is saying, let to dear Amy, Major Jack Amy, Roland Sekbo Amy, Papaye Prince Will Amy, Junior Christian Sekbo Amy, Dabodoku Amy, and I myself Amy. Where when inside Junior was working and got better apaka, told you to give a bem no, won't you hear one Munjanepa? And bam, biggest 200 million okoa. Then the 14 communities 300 million okoa. Biggest anek bala in Asebeda. Me moko the name I mentioned apuma. And the big man deal with that. Even SAG saw or connect current to facilitate me big man paka also receive your corporate then moko say Papa Prince na Major Jack na the Roland Sekbona in the man biggest. So yeah, be me your cause the biggest just IYC chairman clan. Every papa may say me, other people that met stakeholders say me kuma. One biggest here, the 200 million. Imbre ya iroko ya only big me 500 million bo Bakana like all 1 naira baby. Please get Bakana account bill swa. I don't want to come and abo munjo na bete be a big 200 million 14 communities because on my name medite e big me pakaboy. So Andrew ane nke be ni sinte. Abo ni simbia. Baba e ba Robert ni sinte. Ebe ni simbia. I swear to God Almighty, if Junior me make free up me set matter sample nimba free up if in when Bakana or that community allow baby Bakana bo by problem Nabia, the employment will be open for everybody. As a chairman, you go give popi okewa. But also also build bele employment chances, counter everything monetize the fund. So as we speak to you, if manapuma persistent way meeting manapuma this year baby Kalabari Bibia, what they are doing in one of your power Malagba Fefetek in a prayer, na young youths, they are tarnishing their destiny. You understand? In boys already Bakana Kalaba me menawa from a fund. Junior and Co. Mnap member going from a fund. You understand? Abonima in 10 buses, Shell, there was the time. 10 buses car Abonima prem, driver and conductor. Junior me, that garage member no reno ramnapuna. 100 million derete, being more cake, purum yesi, Abonima be a pen being called boys Frantin Bebawa. And then pay called boys can one of my family, but one of my member goes cut a farm ram. So I may take a time not been for this day for me to talk. So we are wapa aware. Governor Tekai, he should come to our ST now. I give up why this is 4 years and 7 months. Only me. I also thank my city members for having an understanding with me. English city wapa ni no sorry. If I see beso bora no so because we ni me aburume obayini ni ma sake fela menete. And then a problem. So Junior should just allow Bakana. If I'm in our business, be Ibilaba West, Opolo Apo letter kete that will sing. Now they are giving directives to Bakana, and all the projects in claim where you go gay. Arawia if okosmite mi be mbu already na prewore. Juni ma Bakana reke ye fear sinki woru are ofori. As both thing do go rebe ya as good think bonina pray ani mwere tombo menji contract and sakara IYC through IYC secretary bo national secretary bridge care banimu amana wa Bakana lai so already about sotana na kimu board me pray urina board me yebra go ganimia if in when be say yes or signature signing or yerane contract make the polling pray they should prove it also in ben yerane job ke AB Jack pray they should prove it so the polling and contract na ye be mamne so yere na then ebijak bulmati nduka eme yere pike contract ke ebijak prayer ya na just a company ke for that bakana na 5 take eretombo kroma eretomba ni moki but other question na why in Koruwe nte 218 bo imbo duka in project it in the 216 217 igbigi 218 of December na mo ko ebijak because anayeme amu investigation yetia oduki pray nke ebija pray be contract amount sanimia the contract value sanimia junior na contract ko pray ye duki pray o diki Kalabari kini job ke kini pray kuma kini job ke kini pray kuma at least what contract agreement na wana nia ofori or in papa job ke kini pray so tumba e point ani meduka bo ire then tie paka iya me you look me aru look ye mane miete insaki kele ye mi aye bie ware na bala wa ben wa bela te endere bie ware na yena ye wayek ereton wayek bem about 25,000 naira each student bakana wayena about and then 50 something now. So you know for him go keep megbe first bank check me the junior ke Kalabari go ke na kon me dewa then that bodoko bo be secretary to be anabo uriso Polaris bank bu ano big mo ke treme imbo moko agon me preve me document me satisfied and sakibo board account bo igbo ke so in individual account so Kalabari na bigi emi then tie pagate since krabio wa project buluma eduka taro lokwe ni trane imbo sakibo meme then in the bigite sime communities go gay we are supposed to go direct to the communities but junior Christian sekbo anigba go gay ke obelebra contract bala contract awode I just go to me eduka you just bala to me eduka ni ben you say because I need to go be amnese me a contract sign ye but junior bane bakana affairs go ge bo in charge we despite amayana puna alapuna other corporate oboro kia so yere ke junior be bim Kalabari ye wane pribe so that Kalabari would de impakaba ye de ana bie aduga ina ko na correct say that so always so buy abuke me ma no forite yere wene nke mi market ke to share ma we no ju menime ke to share ma we 4 years and 7 months bo labra with 1 naira so my fear brame in the name of Bakana bo ngbe by now I reacted beore bakate any afewa I will take my destiny we will take not me it's not I because as I'm talking here na general personal problem na amame baby anake kwanri ya na amame ke committee maker say there as the chairman so I cannot be able all year one bakana kuma wabio bela and then met in vote of confidence me sign it priye me so amanga na sign it so ingbe te akeya to me controller bro for so ingbe we will take our destiny into our hands because when you push a man to the wall so much you will bounce back but the upper bounce be a nation now justice now speaking because I'm a man of justice. Since I realize as a man, Krabio, I just better you take care, I take care of all of us. Ordinarily, Junior is from Abonima. Kalabari people should ask this question. Junior is from Abonima. What is Junior interest in Bakana if there is no manipulation? There is a serious manipulation. Then Papa is Prince Uri, so Bakani big so fear. That was Doc was so inimina katema, Nena co travelers na. And then make big man in fear. Yera bet leadership is okay. In betting big man from fear. And whenever make a Bakana prenga so in by they engaged me. Take them as abo ano table. Both me dealers keprem. Every 2 weeks they will be giving me 500,000. Aside the FTO that they will be giving me FTO. But I refused. I only told them that my father gave me his word that Amutema my biggie labishim hoem bezote amamo we bebe shall not be with me. And I bibia. So that a coin baby me and a team moko akeyore and I picking you remnese God on our side. Justice must speak at the end of the day. You understand? Here in Calabar na when it's like employment chena, one pulo ongi pulo mebo. One wa gas no ye na sukruma. Boni so one na ore na kuma go to Boni because improperly na ya arranging. One in Moka me kwa as I speak, my life is at risk every time. Phone number different test came from mine. I surrender baby ni baba in sibeki buba in sibeki. You were beyond me that say no kebu because tam no sak me latte bebe afebia because I take her also tara take it bien but moka prakite mi ai market tam no bra so me say tam no aduke be my room bebe iyere ik bi brake ya me but okabe prove that Junior wrong because David and Goliath matter is what is happening because Junior is using Bacana money, not my money, to fight with the Bacana people, and they are using political offices to undo the Calabari people. You know, I will also thank His Excellency in me particular area about that. Oh, Ben, come, Junior, you have been hearing about you, that if you try, I will arrest you, that you are board chairman, your brother, Roland Sekbo, is a AG chairman. People will see it as if you are using the government to undo the general public, that be careful. Governor said it in our stakeholders meeting, but they still refuse to honor His Excellency. But they are claiming that they will use his name to go and lie to other people that, Her Excellency say, remove me. Her Excellency, she respect tradition. Let me tell them. She respect tradition. Her Excellency cannot just say, remove this person. Then she will write. But she will not even do that because she's our mother, she's very brilliant. So she's so careful. You understand? What she directed me to go and meet the Commissioner of Citizenship and Community Affairs. That Mayor of Fesia, what she wanted to do was to call her two children and hear from them and advise us before she called for the general as to resolve. So there was never a day government has removed me. There is no proof. So on my time, I remain the authentic Bacana Community Trust Chairman and the Vice Chairman of the board. Meanwhile, my benefits and our benefits and the chairman, but our community benefit due time, they will be account for it through me.